Hey guys, it's Linda, and today I was just gonna make a ham and some veggies and things, and I thought I might just record it. I've been trying to find a really good ham recipe, and all of them I had Googled, were similar to what I was already doing basically, with either orange juice mixed with brown sugar, honey, things like that. I did see one that called for pear nectar. I couldn't find that, but I found pear juice. So I decided to just put it in my crock pot because it's a small ham, and I opened up all of the slices and poured the juice in between each slice, just kind of let it settle in the bottom. And I'm going to let this cook, baste it ever so often, but just let it cook in the juice, and I will let you know how it turns out. Hey guys, it's me. While the ham is cooking, I've started some vegetables, and I can't say this is the way we make green beans in Kentucky. It actually came from a friend of mine from Chicago. But it's the green beans, onions. She used bacon, I use ham. But there's a vinegar in that. A splash of vinegar really made the difference. That's not anything I'd had here before. Also, we've got some mac and cheese noodles cooking. We're going to have a little mac and cheese as well. And the way I do my mashed potatoes may be different from you. I put them in this little steamer, and I steam my potatoes. If I have time, I even bake them. But baking and steaming both tend to hold the potato flavor more. Sometimes when you boil them, it just boils everything out, and you have to add salt, pepper, butter just to get, some flavor back in. So a little tip there, you might try steaming them if you don't want to take the time to bake them. Okay, we're just taking a look at the ham. It's looking really good. I've been basting it every few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let it maybe cook about 20 more minutes and then turn it off. That'll be a couple of hours that it's been in there, and just basting in the juices. Alright guys, so I'm back. I also had some mac and cheese, but that was just a few too many starches. My husband will love it, but I just couldn't do it. The ham did turn out good. What I ended up doing with the pear juice was squirting some honey across the ham, across the top of it, and just let it melt and run in between all the slices. So that turned out really good. This may be the ham I just stick with because it's also very tender. So I hope you got some tips from this video. This is a yummy little New Year's Eve for us, and leftovers tomorrow for New Year's. So I hope you have a great New Year and a safe New Year's Eve. Bye guys.